Hi guys, it is indeed my pleasure to have Nilesh with me here. Nilesh recently got CPDOP certified, Certified Professional DevOps Foundation certified. Welcome to this small chit chat with Nilesh. Nilesh, how are you doing?
Hey, hi Aditya. Yeah, I'm doing well.
All right.
Thanks for
Thank you so
giving me.
much for being part of this interview. Would it be okay if you can quickly introduce yourself to the audience, please?
Sure, sure. So, hi guys. This is Nilesh Sonone, and I'm working with Blue Conch Technologies for 5 years and having total 9 years of experience into test automation area, and currently dealing with the test ops work as well.
Wondering, since you just cleared your CPTOP certification, can you talk about how was the experience both for the training program and for the exam?
Sure, sure. Yeah. So as I said, I currently working into the test ops area. So I wanted to have some kind of certification for these skill sets, and CPDOF is one of the a very good option for getting you certified in this particular skill sets, and ATA provides that platform for everyone. So CPDOF has a very good structure in itself for its training and certification. It's a I would like to say it's a very practical based training program. So that is the beauty of it, that you get every small thing you get done as a hands-on for you. So your focus is on learning because of that, and not on the certification. So and as you get a good learning, cracking the exam becomes, yeah, a very easy for you.
Great. So, since you talked about the practical aspect, and since it is a 3-day program, can you talk about what exactly did you go through the program and what was the practical stuff that you did? Did you construct a DevOps pipeline and how was the overall experience actually?
Yes. So mostly you might have seen that we talk about pipelines creation and automatic deployments and all those things. But this program for 3 days basically starts from like simple Git commands and all those things, and then how to commit your or push your code from your public repo to the private repo. It's a small activity but interesting one. And then you go ahead with the other aspects, like what are the different points at your a CI/CD pipeline, like your code coverages are being checked, then your code quality is being checked. So all these things should happen automatically, and we create the jobs for it. So that is what we focused on the first 2 days of the training program, and the last 2 days were mostly dedicated for the dockerization thing, wherein the server based, like for example Tomcat server based dockers, we were running, and we created the job for deploying our application into those running containers. And also at the end we deployed the particular application on two different running containers with the help of Ansible and all those things. So this overall 4 days program is a very practical based, wherein each and everything you do hands on. ATA or Aditya provides you a separate dedicated machine for yourself, a Linux virtual machine, wherein you can perform all your tasks as per your convenience, or it is a particular dedicated machine for you. And I guess it is available for you around all the 4 days. And apart from that also, if you need for practice purpose, they provide you that machine. So that is the beauty of it. And we created the complete Jenkins pipeline, right from the code commit. Then for each code commit, our code quality and code coverages should be checked, and then the application will get deployed to the server running on the Docker container. And then after that your Selenium or web test will run, and it will again deploy to some other server. So kind of the overall pipeline we created in that 4 days.
Amazing. Yeah, great. Thank you so much. You have summarized it beautifully. And to hear from somebody who has attended the program, I think it will help a lot of people who probably don't know about this program. And I wanted to ask you, would you like to recommend this program to your friends?
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. I would recommend everyone. So, especially the testing area folks, wherein they have some of their part and partial work into the handling QA ops work. Okay, dealing with the pipelines and the continuous integration and the other things, wherein your Bamboo or Jenkins agents handling and all those things they have to deal with. So this program, a 4 days program, will definitely give you the closer look of it, or I would say doing it hands on will definitely give you a different feeling. I understand certification is a different part, but after 4 days the learning you get is definitely commendable.
And how did the certification go? How was the exam?
Yeah, so the good thing was, as I said, like the Linux machine was available for you for practice after the exam as well. So thanks to Aditya for that, and on that machine only you have your all practice done, so it becomes easier for you to appear for the exam. And the Aditya prepared for the exam point of view as well, very well. So to talk about exam, it is total 3 hours of exam. First 1 hour it will be a MCQ based theory exam, and the next 2 hours will be a practical exam. So overall it is like a theory exam weightage is 40% and the practical exam weightage is 60%. And in the practical exam they give you actual scenario, actual web application, and for which you have to create the pipeline right from your commits to all the different aspects of the pipeline, like code coverage, code quality, web integration test, and automatic deployment to the Dockerization and all those things. So all these things you have to perform at the end of by the end of those 3 hours. So this is the overall structure of your exam. But let me tell you, do not worry about your exam. This program is structured in that way that you get the learning as well as you automatically get prepared for the exam itself. So you don't have to separately worry or study about the exam, may it be theory or may it be practical.
Thank you so much, Nilesh, and really appreciate your time today. Really, it was wonderful to speak to you. Thank you so much. Is there anything else that you would like to talk about or share?
Yes, I'll talk about especially about Aditya. The way you have delivered this 4 days training to us is very different, because I understand there is a great format for this program and certification designed by the ATA. But again, it's all credit goes to Aditya, the way he delivers all those things. He talks to everyone that is it reaching to everyone. So that is the good thing about it. Like everyone, if anyone is stuck, we he's ready to help him and take him with everyone. So it's not like that anyone facing issue will lag behind or like that. And the way of explaining and all those things will completely reach to you. So you feel very comfortable while getting a training from Aditya. So I would like to say thanks to him as well for all the training and getting us through this certification.
That's humongous, actually, Nilesh. So many kind words. I really don't know how to thank you here. I don't know whether I'm really good or bad that way, but I would really like to say thank you so much. It is amazing to hear somebody on air crediting you for all the work. That made my day, in fact. Thank you so much, Nilesh. It is really,
Thank
really.
thank you. Yeah.